Well, in the video garage viewers, today we're working on the brake pads on my stepdad's truck. Close.
Use the in there, or you can send a text message to that number.
One-handed, by the way. So we fucking do it up in here. We do it one-handed. Well, I'm at that out, but we do it one-handed. Oh. What? And then they weren't hearing me, so I kept talking, and Crystal came. You're always losing things. I have it. It's just I don't know which way it's in.
You usually don't have it because you would know where it is.
Well, I keep transferring cars.
Where'd Frank go?
So I take the key card back and forth with me. The different cars. So it's in.
You want to take the door off?
I already took it. I already filmed that part of it, yeah.
Three
bags, and what are in those bags?
Oh.
You missed the lug nut.
Why should you single thing?
My calendar,
Exactly what we do with
my notebook, my notes.
The phone can do it all right there.
Go backwards, lean against the back tire, or even the door.
Some snacks, some water.
Those are brand new.
Mail around with you.
They say 2011 Chevy truck on the box.
Curious, why would you
Some returns for Amazon.
Okay, we
bring it
need.
into work?
I don't know.
Hey, why not just leave your Amazon returns in the trunk?
Because it might go home, or I might go to the Whole Foods to return it.
Right, but you can't return it inside the radio, why can't?
Oh, I'm nervous to leave stuff in the car.